Well, Ryan, what were your initial thoughts on that one?
No, it's like every group in the Nations League, competitive. Obviously, Republic jumps out because it seemed to draw them in every competition. But Finland, a team who obviously in a good place at the moment. First time they've qualified for major championships. It's obviously a good team. Bulgaria, a team that, as a player I played against, fantastic pedigree, fantastic history of great players coming out of the country. So, like always, we're going to have to play well to progress in the competition.
Wales are the standout team, having already qualified and had such a good qualifying group for the Euros for 2020, and of course for 16 they qualified. Finland I don't know much about. Bulgaria we played recently and beat them in a friendly. I think it's a group that we could look to win, yeah.
For our perspective, it's nice to meet some new opponents because we haven't met Ireland, Wales or Bulgaria for a long time. And it's nice to scout Wales because they are in Euros as well, like we are. And of course, think about our fans and spectators, so it's nice to see Gareth Bale playing also against us. It's going to be quite tight group, in my opinion, and very interesting one.
The beauty of this competition now is that 4 teams in the group, so they're all 6 competitive matches rather than having to find those 2 friendlies as we did last time out as well.
Yeah, and I think it was the right move off UEFA. I think it was a fantastic start to a new competition. I think everyone got it. The players took it on board. The fans, once they got the concept, really enjoyed it. And every game there seemed to be something on it. So I think it's what UEFA have done is stepped it up, and I'm looking forward to it.
It's a bit of a derby, isn't it? It should be. It should be a bit more blood and thunder than normal European games, if you like. And the last thing you want is to go back to a club where there's either a couple of paddies or a couple of taffs and you're on the other side of it and you're getting it in your ear all because you've lost. That is the last thing you want, let me tell you.
For everyone in that second group, you want to be, with all the big boys in that first group, and that for me is coming top of the group and, the next time having games against, all the big guns.